Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your profile on Xbox One S. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings. From here, go for General tab, find Personalization, move to the profile, customize my profile, and from here you'll be able to do a lot of things with your profile, like changing your name for this profile, so change your gamer tag, and if it's available, it should change easily. Next is to add location from where you live, or just type in whatever you want actually here. So use your location, for example. Add some bio description, so just type in anything about you right here. On the right you'll be able to create a new avatar. Change the color for the background on your avatar. Change your gamer pic. And also you can change your theme for the profile. When it's done with everything, click on done and your profile will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.